Who did?
Classroom. Mrs. Nagel went to fall off on her chair.
She fell out of her chair?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Did she get hurt?
Yeah, no.
No? You thought it was funny?
Yeah.
It's not funny to laugh when someone falls, buddy.
Want me to do it?
Did you laugh when she fell?
Yeah.
You did. That's not really nice.
No.
No, you don't want to laugh when someone falls, buddy.
Here.
They might get hurt, huh?
She didn't?
She didn't get hurt?